In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Facebook story in Canva. We're going to keep this really simple, so even if you're new to Canva or to creating stories, you'll be able to follow along. Go ahead and open your web browser and head over to Canva's website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can save your work as you go. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look for the main button that lets you start a new design. This is usually labeled Create a Design or something very similar. Click on that. This is your starting point for any new project in Canva, and it's where you choose the right format so that your design fits perfectly wherever you want to post it. After you click on Create, a search bar will appear, along with a list of suggested formats. In that search bar, type in Facebook Story. Canva has preset sizes for different platforms, and choosing the correct one saves you a lot of hassle later. By using the Facebook Story option, your design will automatically have the right vertical dimensions, so you don't have to worry about things getting cut off when you upload it. When you see Facebook Story appear in the results, go ahead and click on it. Canva will open a new design tab or window with a blank vertical canvas that's tailored specifically for Facebook Stories. Think of this as your digital canvas, ready for you to customize with images, text, and colors that fit your brand or message. Now that your Facebook Story canvas is open, let's make the design process easier by using templates. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a sidebar with different options like elements, uploads, text, and so on. Look for the option labeled templates and click on it. This will open a large library of pre-made layouts designed specifically for Facebook Stories. From here, you can scroll through and preview different template styles. Minimal, bold, professional, or playful. When you find one that matches the look and feel you're going for, simply click on it, and Canva will apply it directly to your blank Facebook Story canvas. Once your template is in place, you're ready to start customizing it with your own content and style.